Impact of intolerance in social life. Social intolerance arises from prejudice toward individuals who have characteristics different from one's own. Intolerance is characterized by the attitude of unwillingness to observe, analyze, and accept differences. Intolerance breeds separation, misunderstanding, and hostility between groups. When groups have no opportunity to settle few disagreements by discussion, they apt to resort fighting. Intolerance therefore plays a leading part in fostering civil disorder and especially fostering revolution. Thank you.
Each person has certain tolerance gauge that must be filled before he reaches his bursting point. Now, the reason is why people are intolerant is that their gauges are already more than half full. Well, all relationships are about tolerance. From somebody's sound of chewing to somebody's religious beliefs. If a person is intolerant all the time or in all the situations, it is going to be an isolated road ahead. No matter how rich he is or famous he is, if he is intolerant, then man, he is not at peace. He is shallow. He is he is short-tempered. Basically, he have no acceptance. But why people like him or people like some people are intolerant all the time? The main reason is that the people who have less brain space or brain resource will become more intolerant. The reason is, if you have certain major problems in your life, then your gauge will almost be full. It's because of subconscious mind that will try to get try to get solutions for them, for your problems that you don't even thinking about them. So at last, if I have to explain intolerance in one line, I would say that if you are intolerant, you can buy a car, but you can't buy fun riding of it. So I think you have get a slight information about why people are getting intolerant. So at that note, I would like to say thank you. Have a nice day.
There are different aspects of the level of intolerance for different people, but psychologically, it's an attitude expressed through angry argumentation. It also affects our personality and causes some of the behavior change. People become much more blindfolded with beliefs that they're not ready to accept or adopt any other thoughts. This leads to short-temperedness and a kind of biasness in us. This makes us radical and make us deal with the opposite thought process in a violent way sometimes. It finally is responsible for our negative image in our society. Uh, um, it makes a violent and abusive environment, destroys the norms and values of a family. It can even destroy relationships.
Intolerance. What is intolerance? Some of you must be aware about it, but some of you might not be. So, intolerance is of many types, like intolerance between friends, intolerance between like married couples, intolerance against domestic violence, intolerance against abuse, and many more. The list doesn't stop. So, basically, I would like to talk about intolerance between friends. We might have seen, like, you might have seen in our school, in our societies, that two friends are fighting, a group of friends are fighting, and we are like, come, let's see. It will be fun to see a fight, but it's not fun actually. We are seeing a past two friends, a past group, a great bond being broken, a great friendship being destroyed just because of a three-letter word, ego. And because of this ego, lots of friendships are being broken and destroyed. I would just like to say that we should hold on to our ego. We should stop keeping ego as a priority, and we should save our friendships.